and welcome back to my channel. So of course it's your girl everlenia.chenelle here, and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm gonna be showing y'all this look here, which I love. I feel like it's so cute, and it's just like it's bright and fun. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing y'all this look here, and yeah, I don't know what else I was trying to say, and I feel like I'll be making these intros so awkward. Oh my gosh. But yeah, before we get into the video, I just want to say, first I want to say thank you for even watching my video. That's first things first. But secondly, I also want to say, you know, if you mess with your girl, subscribe to the vibe. And if you enjoyed this video, drop me a like, drop me a comment, and turn your notifications on, okay? Okay, y'all, so that's after the intro. Let's get into the video. For the makeup off today, we're gonna be using the P. Louise in the shade Rumor 4. And of course, I'm just gonna put that on my eye to prep it for the shadow. For the shadow today, I'm gonna be using the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna be using the shade Fulani, which is this brown here, and I'm gonna be using Molly, which is like this aqua green color here. And of course, I'm gonna go in with the Fulani first, and then I'm gonna apply my Molly. For the liner today, I'm gonna be using my NK Makeup Liquid Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm not gonna do a full wing liner with the eyeliner. I'm gonna kind of like just create the outline, and I did put some tape down to help to make sure it's very precise. But I'm gonna use the liquid liner to outline it, and then I'm gonna use some black eyeshadow to kind of like smoke the liner out. Alright, moving on to face. So I'm using my handy dandy Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, and of course soft matte primer. Next, y'all know what time it is. Conceal these dark spots with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. There we go. Y'all can see it. The LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange Shade. Let me slow down. The shade Orange Corrector. And of course, I'm just gonna conceal. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I got like a pimple right here. Out of control. It's big too. But yeah, I'm just gonna put that all on my face. For foundation today, I'm gonna be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid with SPF 15. And of course, it's my shade, the NC50. And y'all know I'm just gonna put that all over my face. So moving on to the highlight and contour, which of course, if you know, that is my favorite part. And today I'm using the I Heart Revolution Heartbreaker concealer in the shade Honey. And I'm just gonna highlight under my eyes, my nose, my forehead a little bit, and my chin. And I guess like around my cupid's bow and stuff. So y'all gonna see. For contour, of course, I'm gonna be using my Black Radiance True Complexion palette in the shade medium to dark. And I'm just gonna take the contour shade out of this one, which of course is this one here. And I'm just gonna apply that, you know, on my nose. I'm not gonna do my forehead, but I'm gonna do my chin, my cheeks, and my jawline, of course. To set the highlight, of course, I'm gonna be using my Sacha Buttercup and my Juvia's Place Magic Setting Powder in the shade Gobi. And if y'all been watching me, then y'all know I just blend both of these together to get the perfect shade that I like. And of course, I'm just gonna apply that everywhere that I apply my highlight and concealer. Alright, so set my contour. Of course, I'm gonna be using my Black Radiance True Complexion palette in the shade Dark to Deep. And I'm gonna use the Sculpt shade out of here, which is the middle shade here. And I'm just gonna, you know, apply that everywhere that I apply my contour concealer. So to blend everything in, I'm just going to use my Mario Badescu setting spray, or it's not setting spray, but I'm gonna use this this chamomile and lavender facial spray and my flat top brush to blend everything in. And for glow today, I'm just gonna apply a little bit, and I don't think I'm gonna put, well, yes, I'm gonna put a little bit on my cheeks, but I'm just gonna use this Makeup Revolution Skin Finish Golden Glare, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit to like my nose and my cheeks and my chin. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look, and it's giving per usual. Oh, it's so cute, it's so cute. Okay, so I didn't record myself doing my lips, but I just put a little lip liner and a little gloss on there. But I'm gonna list it down below because this is some buxom lip gloss and I like it. But yeah, y'all, so that's that for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Of course, if you enjoyed it, give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on, all that good stuff. And I'll leave a comment as well. And that's basically it, y'all. Thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. I appreciate y'all, and I love y'all. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.